Hello, this is Frank Mandera, Principal at Perry Elementary, and thank you for viewing our school greeter training webinar. The agenda for this webinar would go over the roles and responsibilities of a school greeter, following the district service standards of excellence, recognizing potential issues, and communication. First and foremost, we want to thank you for volunteering to be a school greeter at Perry Elementary. You are our school. The greeter is always usually the first person that a visitor will encounter. Your impressions will guide in how they will treat people, and your first impressions will dictate in how they view our school. For our school greeters, there is a single point of entry, which is door number 2. All other doors will remain locked. Greeters will be stationed outside the main office area unless instructed otherwise. Roles and responsibility of a school greeter. Please welcome visitors and make sure that they follow the proper rules for signing in. Identify potential or hostile or dangerous situations to the main office or personnel in close proximity. Always work with the school office staff and school administration. When you do greet a visitor, ask who they are and who they need to see. Make sure that they sign in. The door should be opened by office staff remotely, never by a school greeter. Direct the visitor to the quickest path and location. If you are ever in doubt, direct the visitor to the office for clarification. First and foremost, when in doubt, direct the visitor to the office for clarification. You may be asked to assist the office area at dismissal with students trying to find pickups, or you also may be asked to look around the school for a student that is not in their proper location for pickup. This will be done by the office staff, who will instruct you on where to go. Another important part of all staff within District 100 and Perry Elementary is our district service standards of excellence. There are 4 main components of these service standards of excellence: trust, communication, professionalism, and approachability. And we will ask the same for our school greeters. If you'd like to have more information about the district service standards of excellence, please stop by the school office and information will be provided to you. Recognizing potential issues. These are some common things that could be potential issues that you might come across as a school greeter. Problems with students, parents, or staff. Unusual sights, sounds, or smells. Encountering alarms or warnings. Or just suspicious items that don't belong in school. How should you respond to these? You never get physical or verbally confrontational with an individual. Notify any school personnel around you to get assistance. Be aware of the surroundings you are in and get students to classrooms or other safe areas as soon as possible if it is a threatening situation. Communication. Always check in and out of the office as a school greeter. Notify office of any issues that might have occurred while the time that you were volunteering as a school greeter. Please make sure you have other means of communication with you, such as your cell phone, or grab one of the walkie-talkies that are in the office. It is hard to limit all personal distractions as we all have very busy lives, but try to limit it during the time that you are actually serving a purpose for a volunteer school greeter at Perry Elementary. Most of all, you are an important part of our safety and security at Perry Elementary, and we thank you for your time and dedication for our school, our staff, and most of all, our students. Your part is very important, and we respect that, and thank you very much for watching this webinar.